There's nothing cuter than this tiny polymer clay sea otter that's holding a heart. I'll show you how to make it step by step. For this project, you will need brown, tan, black, and pink polymer clay, a toothpick or a skewer, white thread, scissors, and a non-stick baking dish. Roll a thick oval of clay to make the body. Press an indentation at the top with your finger where the head will go. Roll a ball of tan clay for the head and make it slightly oval shaped. Press it into the indentation you made at the top of the body. Roll 2 small balls of tan clay and make them teardrop shaped for the otter's muzzle. Press them onto the head with the skinnier part up where the nose will be, and then angle them down toward the outside bottom of the head. Roll a small ball of black clay to make the nose. Press it into place. Make the tiniest ball of black clay that you can and use a toothpick or a skewer to help you put it in place. An otter's eyes are spaced far apart on the head. Do the same thing for the other side. Roll 2 balls of brown clay about half the size of the nose and press them into place on the side of the head in the middle, using the skewer or the toothpick to form the indentation in the middle. Do the same thing for the other side. Form triangular pieces of the brown clay to make the feet for your otter. Attach the skinny end of your long triangle toward the back of the otter and have the feet wrap around to the front. Roll small log shapes to make the arms and attach the arm right where the neck and the body meet on the sides. Roll a teardrop-shaped piece of pink clay and use a skewer or toothpick to help you form it into a heart shape. Open up the arms and place the heart on the sea otter's belly. Then wrap the arms back around the heart. I forgot to add a tail when we were doing the feet, but no worries, we can do that now. So just flatten out a soft triangle and press it onto the back of the body for a little flipper tail. Use the skewer or toothpick to add some detail onto the otter's feet. If you would like, you can add a tiny speck of the tan or some white clay to add a highlight to the eyes. Cut 6 small pieces of the white thread, about 1/4 of an inch each, to make whiskers. We're going to put 3 whiskers on each side. So start with one, set it in place, use the end of your skewer or toothpick to gently poke in the end. Do the same thing with the other 5 whiskers. Place the otter in a non-metal baking dish and bake it according to the clay manufacturer's instructions. It'll be about 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once the otter is baked and completely cooled, he's ready to display. Please subscribe to my channel for more polymer clay projects and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.